How to make caramel. Throw in the butter, packets of sugar, simmer on a low to medium simmer in a saucepan, just like yeah. Watch it bubble. Mix the caramel together, and mix the butter and sugar together, and it will thicken eventually and make caramel. You see how it's thickening? Called caramel. And you could dip some apples in it, do all types of stuff, you know. You can make candy. You can make candy, take chocolate, dip chocolate bars in there. You could dip apples and make candy apples, caramel apple. You can have fun. So, this is my video, and au revoir.